Guys, it's unboxing time again for the second time this week. I mean, I must love myself. I buy myself a lot of shit. Hey guys, this one is from, MDT. That's right. This is my Black Friday, and this is the only thing I got Black Friday. This is it right here. You know, on my quest to keep up with old Paradox2311, and that's hard to do. Paradox, that fucker's a big baller. He's balling all the time. But I'm gonna outdo him this time. This is the way it's gonna be. So eat shit, Paradox. You're going down, brother. Oh, let's have a little unboxing. So, okay. Let's see what we got in the box. In the box. What's in the box, Metham? What's in the box? Oh, Methomaniacs. Oh, shit. Here we go. Pop the top. Oh, I gotta get the fag tag out of there, guys. We got some personal information on there. But, yeah. We'll share a little bit of that with you here in a little bit. Here's what I got. Black Friday, baby. Uh-oh. What's in the box? Oh, yeah. Look at the packaging. Uh-oh, I think there's a mag or something. Yeah, there's the mag. Oh, yeah. Polymer mag. I can guarantee you one thing, they don't give this stuff away. That's a nice magazine. It's got a nice follower, real smooth. Oh, yeah. Anyway, on with the show. Oh, baby. That's right, Paradox. You know what's coming. You know, any schmuck can go out and buy a rifle, you know. But we go a little bit further than that here on the Channel Cat Chaser channel. So, on with the show. Check it out. That's right. MDT LSS, the lightweight chassis system for my Ruger American 6.5 Creedmoor. This was supposed to be a second, one of their seconds. We'll see how it looks. Looks pretty damn nice to me. Looks pretty nice. I'm gonna have to do this with one hand here. Oh yeah. Alright. Flip this around. There we go. Look at that. This is a second. This is what they call a second. One of their blemished models. I can't really see a blemish on it yet. Have you guys seen anything wrong with it? I don't know. It looks pretty nice to me. This here is the one that uses the AR-15 style buffer tube on the end and AR-15 hand grip and magazine the receiver extension with buffer tube naturally, but yeah, check it out. This son's gonna look awesome. So there you go, Paradox. I'm coming after you hard and fast, buddy. You do have a nice rifle, but I'm gonna have more fun building mine. Like I said, you know how we roll here. Oh, that's gonna look good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it for now, guys. I can't wait to start this project. I got some more parts coming. I do got my shotgun done. If you follow me on VidMe, you've seen a little sneak peek of it. I did get the trigger in. I'll do a quick video on the update on that. But What do you think, guys? Oh, I forgot to show you how much it costs. Normally these things are $400. Normally they're 400 bucks. Black Friday price. Black Friday price. Out the door. Look. LSS factory seconds for Ruger American Short. 200 bucks. $235.99. That's hard to beat. I know it's not a Ruger Precision, but it's going to be better because I built it. It's going to be to my specs, to my liking. So not bad for 235 bucks. That was a steal. I contacted MDT via Facebook and asked them if they had anything coming up, and they said, yeah, Black Friday, and they sold out fast, naturally. I mean, this is a second, and this thing looks, I'm glad I bought the second. I saved 200 bucks on a second that don't even look like a second. So anyway, that's enough rambling. I'm starting to sound like Pop's Quest or something, but that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep on subscribing, and look forward to some Ruger American update videos. So that's it. Channel Cat out.